So I just got this Tineco One S3 vacuum mop, and yeah, so I just want to unbox it with you guys to show you what comes in the box, and then I will show you how it works on the floors. Now I'm super excited for this because I waited. This is just the inside. It tells you how to click it together and then fill it. It says only to use the Tineco solution, which I assume comes with it. Let's hope so. So yeah, that's what that is. But I'm excited for this because I waited forever to get it because they kept selling out everywhere. So first on top is the manual, which I will likely not read. Typical manual things that as the person that I am, I won't read that. Let's see. We get, I don't know what this is, but we'll find out. I do believe this is something that sits on the side of the charging dock to put your items in. One of the items is somewhere else. And we got
box.
This thing. Yeah, that thing. It looks like it holds something. We'll find out. Ooh, ooh, I know what this is. This is a filter. So we'll have to figure out where to put that filter. That's handy. Ooh, here we go. All right, so it does come with a bottle of the solution, so that is awesome. I don't have to hunt that down. Oh, most important thing right here besides the vacuum is the charger. Hopefully I don't lose that. Then we have, I believe this is the extra roller brush because I think it comes with two. Alright, so this is one of the roller brushes that it comes with. Ooh, so pretty. Very fluffy. Then we got a handle. Alright, so this is the handle. You got this little button on top. Got the button on top, which we will discuss the button later when we put it together. And it's got a little thing on here that kind of, what is that? Tells you how to quickly use it and how it's got like a self-cleaning and charging and storing it and maintaining it. And then it tells you to register it. You can just go to tineco.com. Oops. Cardboard. More cardboard. This is its charging dock, which I think is fantastic because there will be no more water dripping on the floor like with other mopping type systems. Because we had a floor scrubber, but I hated it because every time we'd stop using it to turn it off, it would drip all over the floor. Let's see. Place the unit on the charging base for easy recharging and self-cleaning. Refer to hand tag or instruction manual. And it's really pretty. It says Tineco. Tineco. And now for the best thing in the box.
Charging has commenced.
So I just want to show you guys where the filter is. So, you know, if you're looking for it, it is right here. And the filter that came in the box was just an extra filter. So it is right on top of the dirty water tank, which is the tank on the bottom. And then the clean water tank goes up here, which I have it out right now. It says to charge it for 4 to 5 hours before first use, but yeah, I'm not going to do that because I want to use it, so results may vary. I filled the clean water tank, which is the little one on top, and on the back it has an indicator of where the max line is, and it also tells you just to fill it with regular tap water and don't go over 140 Fahrenheit or 60 Celsius. And if you need to deep clean your floors, it tells you to use 1 capful of the cleaning solution specifically for the Tineco vacuum, and I measured it. It is approximately 7 milliliters of fluid in the event that you lose the cap. And this is what
charging has commenced.
Yes, ma'am. All right. And the one thing I thought was cool about this particular Tineco, because they do have they have 2 other ones, but at the time that I bought this one, those ones were completely sold out and they had not come back in stock yet. So I ended up just getting this one from Best Buy because they had it and it was on sale, which was super awesome. But I really like it because up here on top, which I'll show you when I'm running it, it has a like red and blue circle bar that goes around the top, which you'll see it when I run the vacuum, but it basically senses dirt and debris on the floor, like if there's any wet messes or crumbs, because I have 2 children and I have pets. So if it senses any type of dirt on the floor, it knows to increase the suction. That's just my child in the background. It knows to increase the suction to clean the mess better. Also has a Wi-Fi indicator, which will be on the top when I turn it on. And it's pretty cool because this one I believe is their only one. I'll put it in the description if I am wrong. But I believe that this is their only one that has like it talks to you to let you know when it needs to be cleaned, to run the self-cleaner. It tells you about the performance of it, and it has an app that you can connect to it to monitor the performance of the machine. So then if you need to do any type of maintenance on it, it will tell you on your phone that you need to do maintenance. And yeah, so let's go clean some floors.
Self-cleaning cycle complete. Please clean dirty water tank and debris channel.